Greetings, everyone. This is Dave on Mighty Line Minute. Welcome to another edition. Today, we're covering what separates reactive companies from proactive ones, and that's through the use of risk assessments. Why are they essential for warehouse operations? In the U.S., OSHA requires employers to provide a workplace free from recognized hazards. While OSHA may not mandate a risk assessment for every task, the expectation is clear. Employers must identify hazards and implement effective controls. In another example, the UK's requirement is even more direct. The Health and Safety Executive enforces the management of health and safety at work regulations. That requires employers to conduct suitable and sufficient risk assessments for workplace activities, and including warehouse operations. Where people are exposed to risk, it must be assessed. So why does this matter? Forklift traffic, pedestrian walkways, loading docks, racking systems, battery charging stations, tight timelines. Without a structured risk assessment, safety becomes informal, and informal safety leads to inconsistent markings, unclear right-of-way rules, blind intersections, and preventable incidents. A proper risk assessment forces you to pause and ask, is there clear aisleway delineation? Where do forklifts and pedestrians intersect? Are crosswalks visible and standardized? What controls exist at blind corners? Are speed limits enforced? Is training consistent and documented? What safeguards protect loading docks? Are work at height, hazardous materials, or fire risks present, and is there a risk of workplace violence? Risk assessments also ensure that leadership truly walks the walk, and the outcomes are tangible. Take, for example, the evaluation of forklift pedestrian crossings. Such risk assessments may lead to the installation of physical barriers, standardized floor markings, improved lighting. They can also establish training commensurate with the hazard and measures to prevent incidents from recurring altogether. The results are fewer near misses, life-altering injuries, and costs. Also, regulatory compliance and a workforce that trusts and values the organization and its leadership. Risk assessments help ensure that employees return home safely at the end of every shift. Simply placing a warning sign on a wall or painting a line on a warehouse floor is not a safety program. A documented, regularly reviewed, and consistently enforced risk assessment is. Risk assessments aren't just paperwork, they're operational excellence in action. In an upcoming episode, we'll explore this further and discuss how Mighty Line products can help you achieve best-in-class status as a safe, preferred employer. Have a safe and rewarding day, and we'll see you next time on Mighty Line Minute.